Guys, today we're filming a tier list of blox roots tier list. So let's start with barrier. Okay, barrier's F, it's total garbage. Okay, next blizzard. It's going in A, it's a good fruit. Buddha, no questions about us. But bomb isn't that good, so D. Now chop fruit. Chop fruit's pretty much garbage, going D. Control's pretty good for the PvP and stuff, so A. Dart fruit's pretty much garbage, so F. And diamond, why they even add this fruit, blah? Dragon, we still haven't seen the rework, so B. Flame's pretty decent, so C. Ghost fruit's pretty good as well, so C. Only good thing about gravity is the trading value. Ice fruit's pretty good for beginners, so B tier. Temper's kind of good for PvP, but it's super spammy, so like A. Now life fruit is the easiest tier, come on. Spider fruit is only A for the awakening. Love fruit is pretty good because you can fly and attack. Magma fruit is definitely A S tier. It does so much damage. Mammoth fruit's A tier. It's pretty good. Pain fruit is a easy F tier. Phoenix fruit's not even that good. The awakening's good, but nah. Portal fruit's going in F. Please don't attack me, portal users. I just don't like the fruit. Cake is a good fruit, only for Blackbeard. Locket's the worst fruit. Why did I even add this fruit? Lubber's a good S tier. Lumble's good for the PvP and everything, so like a C. Sand is good for beginners, but D. No doubt at all. Shadow is D. Smoke is good for beginners, so yeah. Sound is good, but B tier. Easy F for the spike. Spin is good, but D. Spirit is good, so B. Spring is one of the most worst fruits, going in F. Venom is going on an easy B tier. Kitsune is definitely A tier. T-Rex is going in B. It's good for combat. Falcon is definitely going in F. It's the worst fruits ever. Now we are moving on to game bosses. Fast boss is an easy F. I own it. Dark Blade was cool for its time. I wanted it, so like a B. 2x Mastery is a C, because unless you are doing a Mastery grind. Flute Notifier is a easy S.